Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to download your Google data. So to start, open Chrome and sign into your account. Next, click your profile at the top right corner, then go to manage your Google account. Next, on the left sidebar, so go to data and privacy. Next, what you need to do is to scroll down until you see tools. So once you see tools, click download your data and it will take you to Google Takeout. Once you're here, so by default, all Google services are selected. You can click deselect all if you only want a specific data. You can check the boxes next to Google services you want to export, such as Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, Chrome, YouTube, contacts, calendar, etc. So, what you need to do here is to scroll down and click next step. Next, choose the deliver method. So you can choose to receive a download link by email or save the export to services like Drive, Dropbox, Box, etc. Then down here, so choose the export frequency. You can choose once or schedule recurring exports. Then down here, choose the file type, zip or TGZ. Then the file size. So choose the size limit for each archive, so larger exports are automatically split into multiple files. Then finally, click Create Export. Then Google will begin preparing your archive. So depending on how much data you have, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days. So when the export is ready, Google will send you an email. Then open the email and download your files. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.